Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Dell 1110 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. Before go to the video, if you not subscribe the channel, then subscribe the channel and also click on the bell icon. So let's go to our video. First, we check our machine is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy. Go to this PC. In this PC, right click on this PC. Here we find properties. Click on the properties. In a properties, we find many options. Find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. That is also easy. Go to the YouTube description. There are two links. First is the Mega link and second is the Google Drive link. Use 64-bit link if your machine is 64-bit. If 32-bit, then go to the 32-bit. I use Mega link. You can also use the Google Drive link. Both links are same. I click on the Mega link, click on the Mega link, and this link is open in your web browser. Here we find many options. Go to the download. Go to the download and click on standard download or download as a zip. I click on standard download. Wait for a few seconds. Our download is first started on our website. It's complete on our website, and after that our download is completed on our PC or laptop. Go to the top. Here we find downloads. Click on this download button. Click on this download. Wait for a few seconds. Our download is completed in a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. Our download is completed. Go to the downloads. Show in a folder. Click on show in a folder. Minimize it. Drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here is our zip file and we are going to unzip this zip file. Right click on it. Click on extract files. Click on the OK. Newly extracted folder created on the desktop. Double click on it. Here we find our drivers and we are going to install these drivers. We are going to install these drivers manually. That is the very easy and simplest way in Windows 10. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Go to the start and type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner at the top. Wait for a few seconds. New option is pop up in a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. New option is the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, we find many options. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select the last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. Existing port is the most IMP part in this installation. Click at here. And if you find any USB port, then select that USB port. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, 004. Select any USB port that you find. Click on the next. Click on the hard disk. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop. Double click on your folder, newly extracted folder. Double click on newly extracted folder. Here we find single file. Select that single file. Click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find our printer name Dell Laser Printer 1110. Select that printer name. Click on the next. Here we find our printer name. You can give any printer name that you like. I go with the same printer name. You can change it. I go with the same printer name and click on the next. And our installation is started. It's take few seconds. So be patient and wait for a few seconds. After that, here we find if you want to share this printer, then go to the last option, share this printer on network. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on the finish. Next option is check our printer is properly working or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name Dell Laser Printer 1110, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.